Basics of Flexible Packaging Part 2. In this series, I will try to cover most of the things about flexible packaging. This part covers the components of flexible packaging. The total time duration of this presentation is around 15 minutes. Flexible packaging typically consists of several components that work together to provide a versatile and customizable packaging solution. These components can vary based on the specific type of flexible packaging and the product it's intended to package. Here are some of the common components. Some of the common flexible packaging components are, as listed below: substrate material, printing, lamination, adhesives, barrier materials, sealing mechanisms, resealable features, tear notch, gazettes, handles, window features, reservoirs and spouts, temper evident features, reclosable features. Number 1. Substrate material. This is the base material of the packaging. It can be a flexible film, paper, foil, or a combination of these materials. The choice of substrate depends on factors like barrier requirements, product compatibility, and visual appeal. Number 2. Printing. Flexible packaging often includes graphics, branding, and product information. Printing methods such as flexography, gravure, digital printing, and more are used to apply text and images onto the packaging. Number 3. Lamination. In many cases, multiple layers of different materials are laminated together to create a composite structure. This enhances properties like barrier resistance, strength, and overall performance. Number 4. Adhesives. Adhesives are used to bond different layers of the flexible packaging together. They ensure that the structure remains intact during transportation and use. Number 5. Barrier materials. To protect the packaged product from external factors like moisture, oxygen, light, and contaminants, barrier materials are often incorporated. These materials can include metallized films, coatings, and specialized laminates. Now let's see advantages of barrier materials in packaging. Preservation of freshness and quality. Barrier packaging protects the contents from external elements such as moisture, oxygen, and light, which can cause spoilage, contamination, and product degradation. By creating an oxygen, water, or light barrier between the product and the environment, barrier packaging helps maintain the product's freshness, quality, and flavor, ensuring it remains safe and appealing for consumption. Extension of shelf life. By reducing oxygen levels that causes spoilage and degradation, barrier packaging can help extend the product's shelf life. This step can help reduce food waste, improve product quality, and increase manufacturer profitability. Protection from physical damage. Barrier packaging can also protect the product from physical damage during handling and transportation, such as punctures, tears, and crushing. This protection can help ensure that the product reaches the consumer in good condition and reduces the risk of contamination. Improved safety and hygiene. Barrier packaging can also help improve the safety and hygiene of the product by providing a barrier between the product and external contaminants such as bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. The added protection can help reduce the risk of foodborne illness and improve the overall safety and quality of the product. Now let's go through some substrates which are used as barrier materials in packaging. Polyethylene terephthalate, popularly known as PET, PET. PET is a highly durable, clear, and lightweight material for packaging food and beverages. It provides a barrier against gases, moisture, and other contaminants that can spoil food and drinks. It is commonly used for water bottles, carbonated beverages, and food containers. Polyvinyl chloride (PVC). PVC is a highly flexible and durable material for packaging foods, medicine, and personal care products. It provides a barrier against moisture, gases, and other contaminants. It is commonly used for food wrap, IV bags, and blister packaging. Ethyl vinyl alcohol (EVOH). EVOH is a barrier material used in food packaging to prevent oxygen from reaching the food. It is found in meat and cheese packaging or vacuum packaging. Nylon. Nylon is a strong and durable material that provides a barrier against oxygen and moisture. It is commonly used in packaging coffee, nuts, and other perishable foods. Nylon is often co-extruded with other materials for higher barrier properties. Aluminium. Aluminium is a lightweight and highly effective barrier material used in packaging food and beverages. It provides a barrier against oxygen, moisture, and other contaminants. It's used in beverages cans and foil packaging. Foil found inside many packages is co-extruded with other packaging material for its barrier properties. Potato chip bags are a typical example of this. Polyethylene (PE). PE is a flexible and lightweight material that provides a barrier against moisture and gases, used in packaging for fresh produce, bread, and meat. Number 6. Sealing mechanisms. Flexible packaging needs to be sealed to contain the product. Heat sealing, pressure sensitive adhesive closures, and jeepers are some of the examples of sealing mechanisms used in flexible packaging. Number 7. Resealable features. Some flexible packaging designs incorporate resealable features such as jeepers, sliders, or adhesive strips. These features help maintain the product's freshness after opening. Number 8. Tear notch or easy open features. Tear notches or pre-cut lines are designed into the packaging to provide consumers with a convenient way to open the package without requiring additional tool. Number 9. Gusset. These are plates or folds in the packaging that allow it to expand and accommodate larger volumes of the product. Gussets are commonly seen in pouches and bags. Number 10. Handles. In larger flexible packaging formats like bags, handles might be added to facilitate the carrying and handling of the packaged product. Number 11. Window features. Sometimes a portion of the packaging is transparent or includes a window to allow consumers to see the product inside. Number 12. Reservoirs and spouts. For products like liquids, gels, or powders, reservoirs and spouts can be incorporated into the packaging to allow controlled dispensing. Number 13. Tamper evident features. Tamper evident seals or closures are added to ensure the product's integrity and to alert consumers if the packaging has been compromised. Number 14. Reclosable features. Certain packaging designs are equipped with mechanisms that allow consumers to easily reclose the package after use, helping them to maintain product freshness. Remember that the components used in flexible packaging can be combined and customized in various ways to meet specific product and market requirements. This is part 2 of the series. So if you want to watch the part 1, please go to the description. I have given link in the description. Do comment in the comment section which packaging products your company manufactures and what advantages they offer. Dear friends, let's take a break and meet in the next part. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.